Hello, everyone. This is Rakhi Rupani, Communications Coordinator for BNI here in the UAE. Today, I'm chatting with Kunal Wadani. He's a Director Consultant for the Champions chapter here in the UAE. So let's get chatting with him and get to know more about his journey here in BNI. Hi, Kunal.
Yep.
How are you today?
Hi, Rakhi. I am good. How are you?
Great, great. It's good to have you with us today.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me.
So for many of us, we all know that you are the director consultant for the Champions chapter, which has been launched, and you are celebrating your fifth year anniversary
Yes, they will finish 5 years in August, I believe. Yeah.
in August. Okay. And you recently also hosted the Champions Awards event, which was, I believe, last week.
Yeah. Yeah. Last Saturday. Yes.
That's great. Can you tell us about your new achievement, about the superheroes in BNI, what you found, and I mean, tell us more about this in details.
So actually, this event was the brainchild of the current LT. They wanted to create like an events calendar for the chapter, which is
Mm.
why they came up with an awards which they can do every year. Uh, to start off, they suggested I share my story in BNI. Uh, my story in BNI has been life changing, if I may call it that. I have found several people to help me at several times through my journey, and it has been actually amazing. So, be it in business, be it in personal life, even launching the chapter, all of that uh, taught me something that took me to the next phase of my life. And that's how my journey has been over these 9 years. And that's what I narrated to them when I was opening the awards night for them. So yeah, that's exactly how it began.
Okay, so let's take a time capsule and go back 5 years and tell me about
Yeah.
your journey. Like, what inspired you to launch the chapter, and how's the entire journey been like from the very beginning?
In terms of launching the chapter, I actually always wanted to be a DC. Ever since I came into BNI and things started improving for me, I always wanted to give back and get more involved with the community. When Bijay asked me to become a DC, initially I thought he was going to ask me to support a chapter. However, at that point, there were no chapters to support. It all had quite amazing DCs at that point. At which point, Vijay said the only choice is to launch. Now,
Hmm.
I had no idea what was involved. I just said, sure, I don't mind giving it a try. And that's where the journey started. Launching, for one, is a time consuming process and needs a lot of effort. So, yeah, it took me some time while launching. My wedding also came right in the middle of the launch. So, it was an amazing process. I learned a lot, but again, it did take a lot of my time. It did take a lot of effort on part of the members more than me. I was just pushing them and really giving them the information they needed, but they were the ones who were actually doing all the efforts, bringing people in so that we could get a core group of 25 and then launch.
That's interesting. It's a lot of hard work, and I know how it is because we're seeing a lot of new chapters also being launched as we speak. So there's a lot of hard
Absolutely.
work. There's a lot of patience
I,
which is there
I
required.
have so much respect for launch DCs. I have so, and when you listen to people around the world, there are DCs who only do this. They keep launching chapters. I have so much respect for them.
Excellent.
It's not easy.
I can imagine. It's really. Um,
Yeah.
Now, a new addition which has been there for you is that you've recently been selected by the global team of 25 director consultants, and which is coincidentally we call the BC Champions. So, how did you get selected, and what does this group do? How do you feel about this whole journey?
So it feels amazing. So to answer how it feels, it feels great to get involved and listen to people from around the world, because you get so many new perspectives about what DCs around the world are doing, because you're technically in a bubble, right? You're only in the UAE, looking at what's going on here, implementing best practices here. However, when you get to meet DCs from around the world, it kind of opens your eyes to a lot of things that you have not thought of really. It really teaches you so much more, not just about being a DC, but about BNI as a whole. For me, how did I get selected? Actually, so I think the national director or the executive directors of your region nominate you. So I
Mhm.
think Bijay and Anna might have nominated me, and yeah, that's how it's been. It's really funny that it's called DC Champions because the first time I received an email from headquarters about this initiative, I actually thought it was Bijay emailing me about our Champions chapter that I'm currently supporting. And then till I read it in detail and I realized that it was about something global. So yeah, it's amazing that it's called DC Champions, and it's great to be part of the team. Uh, if you ask me what they do, I cannot tell you a hell lot more because it is confidential to keep whatever gets discussed there. But on a larger scale, we are a group of we are an advisory board for BNI headquarters to help make the lives of DCs and hence members easier. Right from policies and procedures, they take our I can't say advice, our comments into consideration before making policies. We don't vote on anything, but we're just an advisory board.
And you all meet up
So
frequently
that's that.
online? Is it next?
We meet first Wednesday every month.
Okay, interesting, interesting.
Yeah,
So
it's
all-
amazing.
I can imagine that it's a lot of learning. Plus, it feels great to be on board on an international level as well, representing the country.
That's one, and you should see the chat going. There are people from around the world putting in stuff that they've learned, new things they are reading on our accelerator, our business builder app, whatever they are learning, they put it on their group, and when you go and access it, it's actually quite an amazing change to know what are the good courses out there because there are so many out there.
Yeah. So another question for me from my side to you is that for all the fellow director consultants listening or reading this, it'll be posted on the blog as well. Do you have any tips for them?
Oh, that's a difficult one. I can't say I have tips for them. Everyone has their own style of supporting or launching a chapter. But the one thing that I really feel strongly about is to not focus on the numbers when it comes to supporting a chapter, rather focusing on member happiness. I have learned this from the chapter that I support. The more you focus on member happiness, the numbers take care of themselves. So I personally don't think being number one or number two matters as much as having a happy chapter
Yeah.
on the whole. So if I'm sure a lot of DCs do that, but if you don't, I suggest every DC should focus more on member happiness than being number one or being 100-member chapter or having the largest seat value. I'm not sure any of that adds as much value to the chapter than actually making members happy. That's my 2 bits, but not a tip, just something that I believe in.
And again, the happier the chapter it is, everything will just fall into place. All
I
the
believe that. I totally believe that.
Yeah. So, what like we were seeing a lot of members taking up positions, new roles have taken place, new terms coming up. A lot of members are also thinking about different roles, whether it is to take in their own chapter or the directors and ambassadors level. Do you have any message for any members thinking to become a director consultant or taking up those roles?
I think taking up a role in BNI is as essential as doing anything else. Be it in your chapter and then graduating to an ambassador or a DC, that's a part of the journey. So if you're in for the long haul in BNI, you love the organization, you want to be a part of it, taking up roles is the next step of the journey. And I think everyone should take them up as soon as they feel like. Uh, there is really nothing to stop someone from taking a role. My only suggestion is take it up uh, for the right reason, right? Have that reason clear in your head as to why you want to become an ambassador or a DC. Yes, it gives you a large exposure across chapters, but it comes with a larger responsibility as well. So I took it up for giving back to the community, serving BNI more because of how it changed my life. So that's my reason. There are some people who do it for networking cross chapter or cross country, which is absolutely fine, but make sure you know your reason. And then it'll guide you in the next steps ahead.
That's amazing, Kunal. That's a lot of learning and there's a lot of feedback from there. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much, Kunal, for being here with us. And
Thanks,
we wish
Rakhi.
you all the very best and all the success in your new